Anti-Corruption Youth Power of Assam conducted a meeting at Langsomepi LP School on Saturday. Paklongkam Sports Association Football Club League concludes at Paklongkam Rupjili Playground on 30th July. Karbi Anglong Fair Price Shop Dealer Association advances to the capital on 31st July from Guwahati. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time with Margaret Tarangpi. Now the news in details. Anti-Corruption Youth Power of Assam inducted new members into their organization during the meeting held at Langsomepi LP School, 10 kilometers away from Koilamati under Nilip constituency on Saturday. On 30th July, ACYPA organized a meeting at Langsomepi LP School, situated 10 kilometers away from Koilamati under Nilip constituency. At the meeting, more than 30 members were inducted to strengthen the organization. The meeting was chaired by Mohendra Kathar, President, Anti-Corruption Youth Power of Assam, Nilip, Duarbogori and Sochengthenta constituency. It was informed that Jameson Rongphar was appointed as a new secretary of ACYPA, Nilip, Duarbogori and Sochengthenta constituency, and Prince Killing as the new general secretary of ACYAP, Karbi Anglong.
Nilip along secretary, anti-corruption secretary, Nilong president of Najrabul, Bangla Commission to Binipen Chetempono, Jameson Rongphar and job. Nasi aprang kedamtangan ang lingkaran bunga bang ke Prince Killing si ng Sirabon kemelalay bang non district along sa Pondelo nasi district long kidon driven non aduntu bang ke ini tuma Porte Jameson rong para si ni dilong secretary bu alang kan pek pono alang lipen la penon pini ni tum joana pen ani long na joana na korte tum pen ni tum la ni okone li pusok ni dua paguri la kadu ko ni tum celang pondok.
As per the report, the organization's aims to check and balance the implementation of government schemes and projects across the three neighboring constituencies.
Lapen Hemsola PMGY lakatu kabe dorik lasi rongalo sar kethe to CMM saratum lapen mi se tum lutam te theklongji lasi labangso ni tungla tuteli ke chokche kele ledim an kele tum group la do anpen jelangsi.
Sitro Borua, President ACYAP Karbi Anglong, along with his companions, attended the meeting. As many as 40 participants attended the meeting. Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. Red River Club clinched the victory title of 7th Paklongkam Sports Association Football Club League held at Paklongkam Rupjili Playground. 7th edition of Paklongkam Sports Association Football Club League came to a conclusion at Paklongkam Rupjili Playground on 30th of July. The match was played between Red River Club and Ove Chingthur Club. Red River Club dominated the game and scored 1 goal for the team, which resulted victory and clinched the title. Raju Tiso, Chairman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended the event as chief guest of the event. Rajesh Teron, VDC Chairman Mahamaya, Biren Singh Taro, Secretary LEMS Paklongkam, Sam Ingleng, Chairman LEMS Paklongkam, and several other dignitaries were present at the event. Raju Tiso, Chairman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while speaking to the participants, conveyed his words of encouragement and also briefed the importance of sports culture in this generation.
Games and sports Games and sports activities best way of exercise. To physically fit oneself, fitness sports.
Sar Singh Terang, President, and Robinson Rongpi, General Secretary of Paklongkam Sports Association, says that they are committed to uplift and upgrade the sports culture in the region. The league was concluded peacefully and successfully. Samsung Ingti's report from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. As many as 50 members from West Karbi Anglong Fair Price Shop Dealer Association advances to New Delhi from Guwahati on 31st July. As per the schedule of All India Fair Price Shop Dealer Association, to address the vision and grievances of Fair Price Shop Dealer Association to the central government on 2nd of July, West Karbi Anglong Fair Price Dealers Association advances to New Delhi from Guwahati to submit a memorandum on 31st July. Now let us hear from the Fair Price Shop Dealers Association as to why they had to take such steps. What are their grievances? What are their appeals and what are their vision on it? Here is a visual.
Mate goma sang sitame asitim adisik along nangli FA lasi laga radatu afan kenan sot apot nang pali nangji nombor kepila lo goma sang lo goma sang kita adisiting lo mason nang pili FA kasi tumsita long nundelo so kapag kawai district mata start long sita nang pili nang sita kijong kondo nomor 3 sige lalo wrong along itu adilar itu apa sita me direct procurement agent aja kong mate our side people nangji.
Rajan Ingling, President West Karbi Anglong Fair Price Dealers Association, while speaking to us, informed that they want the rations to be benefited by all irrespective of their background. 50 lakhs compensation to those fair price shop dealers who had lost their lives and were severely affected by COVID-19. To ensure all the materials consigned to states from the center are secured and received at the grassroots level. To reduce the price of certain materials and increase the allotment of materials to the state.
Food for all. Katawa ibang kita so narison mo gapi etnaiji akitu gawe kitlang gawe sapui gitu gawe West Bengal so model ke ada kena som itu. Kasi all India long sita accepting sita la swapping si katawa ibang kita people nai. Kasi so demando. Nubulo sige Assam I step pen kapitik asonsi corona awur awur isum kepo adilar itu fan 50 lakhs akira pajir nangji.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. Unidentified body was recovered at Lahorijan Quad Junction, Wopong Taro village, falling under the jurisdiction of Karagaon Police Patrol Post, Bokajan Subdivision on Saturday. In a mysterious circumstance, at around 5:30 p.m., it was reported that an unidentified dead body was lying beside the Quad Junction Road, Wopong Taro village, falling under the jurisdiction of Karagaon Police Patrol Post on Saturday. Police rushed to the spot after the information was received from the villagers. The whereabouts of the deceased is still unknown and the police are yet to identify the victim. The mortal remains of the deceased was later taken to Deepu Medical College and Hospital for post-mortem report. ASI Arun Kumar Nath, Karagaon Police Point appeals the citizens of the local area to report immediately if there is any case of a person missing nearby. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another incident of drug seizure, Bokajan police apprehended 2 drug peddlers at Kotkhoti Quad Junction and seized 1 kilogram of suspected heroin from their possession at Kotkhoti on 31st July. On 31st July, acting upon a specific intel received from its sources, a special naka was set up at MVI Point Chariali of Kotkhoti Police Station, Karbi Anglong. At about 7:30 a.m., a vehicle bearing registration number WB74P4456 was intercepted on suspicion of carrying illicit drugs with it. The vehicle was rigorously searched and 75 boxes of soap cases containing 966 grams, 1 kg approx of suspected heroin was recovered. In connection to this case, 2 persons were arrested: Solomon Tour, son of late Supenchu Tour, Melori Town, District Phek, Nagaland; Simon Tour, son of Tesomu Tour, Molan Melori, District Phek, Nagaland. The drugs peddler, in order to avoid regular checking of Kotkoti police station, had used an alternative route. The consignment was supposed to be further deported through train from Bokajan railway station. The operation was carried out by John Das, APS SDPO, Bokajan, along with OC Khatkati, SI Raju Dora, OC Bokajan Inspector Maublik Brahma, SI Rajiv Bora of Khatkati Police Station, SI Probationers ASCOM Rabi Gill, C20 CRPF Bokajan, PS Staff and APRG Camp Bokajan. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.